Hello students, I am going to discuss about the continuation topic, steady state error, when the input is parabolic signal, for different types of systems. Okay. So parabolic signal means I got the steady state error ESS as 1 by Ka. Ka is nothing but acceleration error. So first for the type 0 system, Ka is equal to limit s tends to 0 sq gs hs. So type 0 means I should have power 1 for the poles at the 0 at the origin. So now if I substitute s square s as 0, Ka I will get a 0. If Ka is 0, ESS is nothing but 1 by Ka, that is nothing but infinity for type 0 system. So what is the conclusion for the type 0 system? In a case of unit parabolic signal, the steady state error is infinity. For type 1, I can say Ka is equals to limit s tends to 0 s square gs hs. So limit s tends to 0 s square into k into s plus z1 s plus z2 and so on divided by s power 1 s plus p1 s plus p2 and so on. Now this one will get cancelled. After application of s tends to 0, here I will get 0. ESS is equals to 1 by Ka as infinity. For type 2 and above, I am writing directly. For type 2 and type 3, I will get Ka constant and ESS as 1 by Ka as constant. Okay. This is only for type 2. Okay. For type 2, I will get Ka constant because Ka is equal to limit s tends to 0 s square into k into s plus z1 and s plus z2 and so on divided by s square I have to write because it is a type 2 system. So s plus p1 s plus p2. So this one will get cancelled. If I apply s is equal to 0 here, I will get k z1 z2 divided by p1 p2. This is nothing but constant. So Ka as constant. If Ka is constant, ESS is also constant. So in type 2 system, when the input is parabolic signal, there will be a constant steady state error. Then what about type 3? For type 3 system, directly I am writing limit s tends to 0. Here I will get s square into gs hs. Gs hs is nothing but k into s plus 1 by s plus 1 into s plus z2 by s plus p1 s plus p2 and so on. And here it is type 3. I will write it is s cube. Okay. Then what I will get, 1 by s term I will get. Right. If I apply s tends to 0, 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. If Ka is infinity, what is ESS? That is 0. Okay. Not only for the type 3 and above. The systems with type 3 and above, for unit parabolic input, the value of Ka is infinity, and so the steady state error is 0. Okay. So finally, I want to draw a table which is very important for the competitive exams. Okay. So this is input signal. What is the input signals we have discussed? Unit step, ramp and parabolic. Okay. Now for for type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. Okay. So here unit step signal. For unit step signal for type 0, I got 1 by 1 plus Kp and remaining all are 0. For ramp it is infinity, it is 1 by Kv, all are 0. And this is infinity, 1 by Ka, and this is 0. So this is the thing we have discussed till now. Okay. Thank you.